Tired of overstuffed bags and wrinkled clothes? Get ready to master the art of packing. Welcome! We're diving into the essential packing hacks every traveler needs to know to simplify their journey. Efficient packing is crucial. It saves you time, space, and stress, ensuring a smoother start and end to your trip. We'll cover rolling techniques, the magic of packing cubes, and clever ways to use every inch of your luggage. First up, the game changer for clothes, the rolling technique. Rolling your clothes tightly not only saves significant space, but also helps minimize those annoying wrinkles. Watch how simple it is to roll shirts and pants tightly for compact, wrinkle-resistant packing. Next, let's talk about the travel essential that brings order to the packing chaos, packing cubes. Packing cubes are fantastic for organization, keeping your suitcase tidy, and even offering extra compression for bulky items. Use cubes to separate items, whether by category like tops and bottoms, or even by complete outfits for different days. Now for maximizing space with some clever utilization tricks. Shoes are perfect containers. Stuff socks, underwear, or small electronics, like chargers inside them to utilize that dead space. Use items like hats and even padded bras to protect delicate or fragile belongings like sunglasses or jewelry. A smooth journey means avoiding leaks and breaks. Here are a couple of preventative measures. Use a small square of plastic wrap under the caps of your toiletries to create a leak-proof seal. Wrap breakable items in soft clothing, like placing your camera lens inside a cozy sweater for cushioning. Don't forget your carry-on. A few strategic items can save you in a pinch. Always keep a backup change of clothes and basic toiletries in your carry-on, just in case your checked luggage is delayed. Keep essential documents like passports and tickets organized and easily accessible, having both digital and physical copies. That wraps up our best packing hacks. Let's quickly review the main takeaways. Remember to roll, cube, and protect. These simple steps will transform your packing routine. You are now equipped with the ultimate packing knowledge. Enjoy your next organized and stress-free trip.